Hi guys, it's Marcus here and I'm at my new CountryWoodSmoke HQ 2.0 UK BBQ School new site. I thought I'd give you a quick update. Lots of exciting things happening here. As you can see, little miniature piggies in the distance there. They better watch themselves out. I'm going to turn you round so you can see a beautiful day here in Devon. So we have one log cabin there, and this has got some lovely stuff in, lots of space here, 5 metre by 5 metre log cabin. My friends at Leisure Grow up in Hertfordshire, I've worked with them for years on their grill stream barbecues. This is their Leisure Grow range of furniture. This was end of line stock that they've given me for a nice price, so they've looked after me there. I've got a nice sink there from my friends at Jolly Hog. Again, really grateful guys, thank you for looking after me and helping, and it's really appreciated, all the support. And then up this end, there we go, you see the guys working away. It's a nice sunny day at least, so there we go, right up, walking up here, and we got the other log cabin. So 2 log cabins, it's going to be a big covered area in between them, and there we go. So electric's going in, got a fridge. Again, my friends at Jolly Hog have really looked after me, so thank you to the Cone boys, that's amazing. And there we go. So I haven't decided which way round it's going to be, but that gives you a view up to the top. So you can see the space there. I haven't measured it yet, but it's a fairly big space. And there's my piggy friends there. And Fordmore Farm Shop is down there. That's Clumpton is about 2 minutes that way. So it's a really great spot here. There were some duckies in there, but I think they've come out of the sun. So there we go. How are you getting on, all right?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for all your hard work. It's amazing. So, and that's the new update for my new space. So look forward to seeing you guys at UK BBQ School. Follow me on social media, you'll see what I'm doing and get 8 updates. So I'm hoping a couple of weeks I'm going to be ready. So I know lots of you are waiting, there's people with vouchers, people want to come on classes. I'm just going to get it right here, and then I can start really welcoming you all to UK BBQ School here, and I can't wait. I'm really excited. Let's bring it on.